In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file amended return on TurboTax. If you realize something on your filed tax return needs fixing, maybe a late W-2 arrived, you discovered a missed deduction, or your filing status needs correction, you'll use Form 1040X to amend, and TurboTax makes that process straightforward. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening TurboTax and signing into your account. From there, open the tax return you already filed so you're working from the correct year and version. On the tax home screen, find the return you want to amend. To enter amendment mode, select Add a State or choose Amend, Change, Return. Don't worry, clicking Add a State won't actually add a new state return. It's just a convenient way to unlock the amendment workflow. Next, choose Amend using Form 1040X. TurboTax will create a separate copy of your original return for editing. Your originally filed return stays intact, which is helpful for comparison and for your records. Before changing anything, review the original return that TurboTax displays. Take a minute to scan your income entries, dependents, deductions, and filing status so you're clear on what's currently reported and what needs to change. This quick review reduces mistakes and prevents duplicate entries. Now make your corrections. Navigate directly to the section that needs updating: income, deductions, dependents, or filing status, and edit the incorrect items. Enter the new or corrected information exactly as it appears on your supporting documents. Accuracy here is key because these edits will flow into the 1040X and explain the differences. If you haven't signed in yet or need to access your account again, use the link in the description to go straight to TurboTax and begin the amendment process from your tax home. TurboTax will automatically generate Form 1040X for you. Review it carefully. You'll see your originally filed amounts, the net changes, and the corrected figures. Make sure those numbers reflect your intended updates and that the totals make sense. When prompted, complete the explanation section. Briefly describe why you're amending and what changed on the return. For example, you received an additional tax form or corrected a dependent. Clear, concise explanations help the IRS process your amendment smoothly. You're ready to file. Follow the on-screen prompts to e-file the amended return if you're eligible, or print and mail it if required. If you're mailing, include any necessary supporting forms or statements as directed by TurboTax. After submission, track your amendment through TurboTax or the IRS Amended Return Tracking tool. Processing can take time, so check back periodically for updates. Thanks for watching.